Jude's stuck. Kane's pushing the whole car with Jude in it. Oh my gosh. He got him unstuck. Yep, he got him. He got you unstuck, big boy.
Go ahead and do a wheelie.
Right. Kind of. Look where you're driving, honey. Whoa! That's it. Push your feet. Good. There you go. Push. Oh.
Look at Daddy.
I can't drive. Are you crazy? You're distracting me.
Okay. Nolan! Nolan!
Wade, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm gonna tag to my remote control truck and pull out one of these.
You're gonna try to pull out your...
Whoa! Are you okay? Are you okay? Look at me. Turn around. Oh, you're turning around? Good girl. I love you. Oh my goodness! What happened? Are you under here?
Your tongue hanging out your mouth? What's your tongue? That's free. There comes Ryan.
Encore.
good. Hey, boy. They about to fall over. About to fall over. He out now.
London, don't. London. Push. Uh-oh. Back up. Back up. Oh no, big crash.
Look, he kind of wakes up. Won't take his foot off the gas. Oh, he's up for a second here. Back sleep. Oh, hey!
Whoa! Go. Here you go. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Up the hill. Oh.
Amy!
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.
Hey Abu, hey, let's show them how we do it in the village.
Abu, yes, I have the girls up in my village. I am a player to my wives, scrimmage, and yes, we have the chemistry, so no need for the physics. They say my flow is sicker than the people at the clinics. Check out my beats, nothing on my feet. I should only cut a wheezy pretty hoes up in my brief. I should buy a couple shirts and throw the tricks atop my sleeve, but for now, I will stick to wearing leaf.